There's no such thing as work-life balance. None!
Hey cunts, don't forget to click the subscribe button.
75% of the people that come to me, either directly or indirectly on the site or in the seminar, have got another job. Or they're going to school full-time, or they're in the military full-time. Okay? And so they're practicing QLA in addition to those job requirements. I realize that, while I don't like backup plans, your family is only going to go so long without you feeding them. And so you've got to put food on the table. So Josh Kim worked 60-hour a week as a programmer while he was doing his first 2 acquisitions. He was working 60 hours a week at a job, and he was working 60 hours a week in QLA. 120 hours a week. So yes, you can do it. It takes real good management skills. Women are better multitaskers. The women that work and do this are better at it because somehow, I don't know if it's because a baby falls out between their legs. I don't know what the reason is, but they seem to handle more things at once than just one thing. So the answer is yes, you can continue your job and continue QLA.